Mr. Whiteman here. I just want to give you a quick 2-minute intro to one of our databases, Gale in Context High School. It's actually a database we've had for a while, but it has a new look this year, so I want to make sure you know how to find some of the key features. So let's click on it and go into the database. When it comes up, the first thing you'll see is the search bar, and there's also this Browse Topics option. A lot of common topics have their own topic pages, and so give this list a look. See if what you're researching is on there. If not, you always can search it in the search bar. I'll do a search for cursive. And what I like about this database is that it separates my results by where they came from. So reference articles are in one section, magazines are in another, news articles, or college-level research studies would be in academic journals. And you can see if I scroll down the page, each of those types has its own section. Now it's only showing me the top results, the top 3, but you can see there's a lot more than that. If I want to see all 409, I could click on News and look at that. Over here, we have some helpful filters. Maybe I only need the most recent articles. I can do that by specifying the publication dates. Maybe I only want a certain type of document, like an editorial. I can do that. I can sort it by lexile measure, or by content level. Obviously, level 1 would be easier than level 5. And my favorite tool is the search within bar, where I can type in a word, like school, and it will only search for results that have that word in them. So right now I have 409 news articles. When I use this tool to get only the ones that mention the word school, I can cut it down to 165. It's a great way to have a more targeted search. And then once you open up the article, there's some helpful buttons up here. I can send it to Noodle Tools or generate a citation. I can send a copy to my Google Drive. I can print a copy. So it's a great database. There's a lot of tools to make searching easier and making it easier to save your articles. So on your next research project, give it a try.